Depends on the lay of the land, and whether they've got a pool. Each and every property would be subject to a little bit of design thought. Because of our climate, you've got to have some sort of coverage. We've grown, a lot of us have grown through the alcinite type roof over the top of the entertainment area, and you sit under it and you get cooked by the ultraviolet light. So we've gone more to hard roofs with maybe pergola openings and that sort of thing in them to get the light in and keep the sun out. Shade cloth is extensively used too to cut down the light barrier, so it's more shade, an open environment. And the other issue we've got up here is insects too, mosquitoes and midges and that sort of thing. The coast areas suffer a lot from sandfly and midgie infestation, so those areas are normally screened as well. I put an extension on this house when I first bought it. Concrete slab, aluminium roof with a pergola in it to open up, and then fly screens all the way around and over the pergola. And every window and door open so it can be an indoor-outdoor area. And that seems to be what people are doing in different ideas, different structures.